Welcome to my next kit review. It's Trumpeter's F9F-2 PANTHER kit in 1/48 scale. In the next few minutes I'll show you what you can expect in the box. We'll go through the instructions, I'll show the parts in detail, and I'll give you a few tips since I recently built the kit. The sturdy box features a typical Trumpeter box art. On the side you can see 2 of 3 marking options. On the other side there are a few photos of a finished model. Let's open the box. First you will get the assembly instructions. The Eduard mask and the pilot figure shown here are not included. I use these for my build. The clear parts like the 3 main sprues are packed in plastic bags. A small decal sheet, and that's what you get. The assembly instructions are in black and white. A color sheet is included which shows the marking options. The construction steps are presented clearly and logically. At no point did I feel like I didn't know what to do. Of course, it always helps to think about the order in which you assemble something, so that you don't make things too difficult for yourself when painting and weathering. The decal sheet contains decals for 3 versions. Trumpeter keeps the decals to a minimum. The quality of the decals is quite good. I only had some problems with the nose decal, and I had to trim the surrounding white stripe by myself. Now the parts in detail. The clear parts are packaged together with the photo etch part. The clear parts have no scratches and are of good quality. I had some issues with the fit of the windshield. If you want to display the cockpit closed, you may have to adjust some things. A photo etch part for the instrument panel and a printed foil for the instruments are a good addition. Sprue A contains the parts for the fuselage and cockpit. The light grey, rather soft plastic was easy to work with. The fuselage parts have a fully riveted structure, which I really like. There are also clean and sharp lines between the panels. The details in the cockpit and the front landing gear bay also look very good. There's a second nose for the reconnaissance version included. Sprue B contains the wings, flaps and other fuselage parts. The nice rivet structure continues here, although I don't know if it's completely accurate. The flaps can be positioned differently. The wings are multi-part and come with the option of displaying them folded. I built the wings in flying position and was very pleased with the fit. Sprue C contains many small parts for the landing gear, armament and other parts. Small details that are very well implemented are convincing here and underline the positive overall impression of the kit. The kit is from 2007 and is still available for a fair price. Out of the box you get a good deal, which you can upgrade as you wish. The quality is good to very good and the complexity is limited. Even beginners who want to build a beautiful Korean War era jet should be successful here. I definitely recommend the kit without reservation. If you want to see in detail how I built the Panther in flight, check out the full build video on my channel. Thanks for watching.